for tuning into this video. Before we jump into this video, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It is free. Click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click on that post notification so you don't miss my uploads. I upload at least once a week, so definitely feel free to join the crew. And yeah, so if you guys haven't noticed from my intro, I have this bomb unit on, and I know you guys want to know the details. So if you are interested, make sure you keep on watching. This video is brought to you guys by my friends at HeraRemy.com. They reached out to me and offered another wig for me to review for you guys, and I really love the quality of their wigs, so of course I accepted the offer. They recently have launched a new sister site called Main Gang, and it's kind of like a spin-off of Hera Remy where they offer a few more products than they do on the Hera Remy site, so definitely take a look at that. I did pick a Hera Remy unit though because this bad boy caught my eye, so let's just jump into all the specs, details, and every good thing that you need to know about this wig. Alright, so this wig is the Hera Remy 100% human hair blend pre-tweezed part. The style name is Jada. It is 14 inches long. The color I have on currently is SC1294. So it's this really pretty like brown, I'll say honey brown blonde / blonde because there are some like really pretty highlights in it. This color is really what like jumped out at me on the site. The price, if you guys are wondering, for this unit currently is $19.94, so another affordable unit. Okay, so some more specs and features of this wig. It does come with your standard cap construction. You do have two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and there are also adjustable straps, so you can customize the sizing of this unit. It does say that it has a pre-tweezed part. The part is a little bit slim for my liking. It still is a little slim, and this is after I went in and I did go ahead and like pull some hairs out of my own. The hair feels so silky, soft, smooth. This hair quality is really nice. Like my fingers just glide through it. I'm not catching any snags or tangling, and I really like the cut of this bob. It's kind of like an A-lined bob or asymmetrical bob where it's shorter in the back and it comes down to the front. So I'll say the front is the 14 inches and obviously the back is probably more like 10 or 12 inches long. I do also want to mention that of course this hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and the cap size is pretty average, I'd say. It's not too small and it's not too big. I do have a lot of hair that I put under these units, so cap size is always a must for me. Like it has to be an average to medium or large size cap to get all of this hair under these units and this big head of mine. So it's a very comfortable cap. I'm not having any like pulling or anything on my natural hair underneath it, and I am using the combs in the front to kind of keep it in place, so I'd say it's a nice cap size. Okay, so now what I think of this unit. I really like this unit. I always like shorter cut units just because it's different from my norm. I have like really long hair naturally, so the short is like something edgy, something different to try out. I think that like the hair texture of this unit is just so smooth and it just feels so nice. Like I really cannot stop playing in it. It just feels that great. The layering of this bob is just really pretty. I just really love how it looks. It just looks, in my opinion, so natural and edgy. I don't know, it's just a really nice unit. I really like these short blunt cut units because they're easy to maintain. They last a really long time. It's not like a whole bunch of tangling going on in the back. Like these short units are really lifesavers when you're trying to change up your look and make it a little bit more fun or a little bit more edgy, but you're not trying to break the bank. So I will always go for a short unit, especially in a synthetic wig, just because they just always look so good to me. So yes, I definitely plan on getting a lot of use out of this unit. I do recommend this unit if you're looking for something cute, edgy, fun. There are different colors to choose from on the website, so I suggest going to themaingang.com and checking it out. I will leave all the information you guys need for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you open it up and check it out. As always, if you guys have any questions for me, just go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I will get to them as quickly as I can. I always do, you guys know this. If you liked this video, I cannot say this enough, and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. I see a lot of people viewing my videos but not necessarily interacting with my videos, and that's how my content is rated. So if you guys want to see more videos, then make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't just watch, comment, leave me a thumbs up, and subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for viewing this video, and until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.